Hi, I am Googler. And today, my love, Google. There's me right there. And then my funny exclamation mark. There's so much stuff on Google, I love it. That's what everyone calls me. Because I'm hyper on Google. You can look up Doc. There's men's college boxes. Hello. We hang out in the park, looking up spatulas. We're flipping my grilled cheese in the morning. I want to tell Google that I love you. It just sits there going. My heart just go. Love it. My best friend, my pastime, Google. My favorite site, Google. Wee.